Bikes are one of the best ways to explore the world. Stay fit and enjoy an adventure on two wheels. Whether you're cycling for fun, fitness, or competition, choosing the right bike can make all the difference. But when deciding between a mountain bike and a road bike, it all comes down to where and how you ride. Both are designed for specific terrains and riding styles, and picking the right one can enhance your cycling experience. Let's break down their key differences to help you decide which is the perfect fit for you. Design and build a mountain bike. MTB is built for rugged trails, rough terrain, and off-road adventures. It features a sturdy frame, wide, knobby tires, and shock-absorbing suspension to handle dirt paths, rocks, and obstacles with ease. These bikes prioritize durability and control over speed, making them ideal for adventurous riders who love exploring nature and tackling challenging landscapes. A road bike, on the other hand, is designed for speed and efficiency on paved roads. It has a lightweight frame, thin, smooth tires, and drop handlebars that allow riders to adopt an aerodynamic posture. Road bikes excel in covering long distances quickly with minimal effort, making them the top choice for commuters, racers, and fitness riders who want to maximize speed and performance.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Performance and terrain mountain bikes dominate off-road environments, such as forests, mountain trails, and rocky paths. Their wide tires provide better grip, and their suspension system absorbs shocks from rough surfaces, ensuring stability and comfort. However, they are heavier and slower on smooth roads due to their design. Road bikes shine on paved surfaces, offering unmatched speed and efficiency. Their lightweight frames and thin tires reduce rolling resistance, making pedaling much easier. However, they struggle on rough terrain as they lack suspension and the necessary grip for uneven surfaces. Comfort and riding position. Mountain bikes offer a more upright riding position, which is comfortable and provides better control on technical trails. Their suspension systems further enhance comfort by reducing impact on bumpy surfaces. Road bikes require a more aggressive, forward-leaning posture to reduce wind resistance. While this position maximizes speed and efficiency, it may cause discomfort for beginners or long-distance riders without proper conditioning. Durability and maintenance. Mountain bikes are built to withstand tough conditions, with reinforced frames and durable components. However, their suspension and rugged build require more maintenance, especially after intense off-road rides. Road bikes with fewer moving parts and no suspension require less maintenance. However, their lightweight components can be more fragile, and rough handling or bad road conditions can cause damage over time. Speed and efficiency. If speed is your priority, a road bike is the way to go. The combination of thin tires, lightweight frame, and aerodynamic design allows road cyclists to travel faster with less effort. In contrast, mountain bikes are heavier and have higher rolling resistance, making them slower on flat roads but superior on trails where grip and stability matter most. Which one is right for you? If you love adventure, rough trails, and exploring nature, a mountain bike is your best bet. It offers durability, stability, and the ability to conquer off-road terrain with confidence. However, if you prefer speed, long-distance rides, and smooth road cycling, a road bike will provide a fast and efficient riding experience. Both bikes have their strengths, and your choice should align with your riding style and preferred terrain. Whether you crave off-road excitement or high-speed road journeys, picking the right bike will ensure you get the most out of every ride. No matter which bike you choose, the key is to get out there, enjoy the ride, and push your limits.